There are some of the greatest speakers of all time that not only deliver great sound performance, but also they have several unique features that make them sound much more better than anything else you have listened to before. And this speaker is one of them. And it has plenty of soundstage, vibrancy, vocal clarity, and sonic presence. The speaker can take your listening experience to an all new level with the kind of detail and extra bass that can really exceed your expectations. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish, and today in this video I'm gonna tell you about the best speaker in the world with exceptional sound performance, sound quality, and heavy bass with an amazing design and build that other speaker does not have. So make sure you stick until the end of the video to know more, and do subscribe to my channel if you want a giveaway on this channel. So now without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So the Devialet is back with another Bluetooth speaker, which is the most expensive Bluetooth speaker and is also the best speaker in the world, which is called the Phantom Reactor 900 watt, and this works with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirPlay and Spotify, and is really compact and small as compared to Devialet Phantom Gold. Now the best thing about this speaker is its design, and it really looks like if Tony Stark from the Iron Man movie was supposed to design a speaker, then it is the Phantom design. The speaker looks like it belongs to an alien world with nothing similar to another speaker from the planet. Anyways, jokes apart, trust me guys, this speaker looks premium and bold, and it has that aesthetic appeal for well designed living room in a house. The Phantom Reactor 900 in matte black is just a head turner and perfectly finished with no rough edges or mismatch in paint job. The Phantom Reactor 900 is a single unit with 3 cm full range aluminum driver at the front covered with typical Devialet grille. At the same time, the back has a heat sink along with Ethernet port, power button and aux port. At the top, there are 5 touch sensitive buttons for play, pause, volume, Devialet app, link button and Bluetooth button. Moving to the sides, there are two aluminum base reflex drivers, further adds to the design aesthetics of speaker. There is also a tiny LED on the top of which lights up with different colors depending on the features being used. Overall, the Phantom Reactor 900 is a visual treat, and with reduced size, it is even a better fit for room compared to the big Phantom. The Devialet Phantom Reactor 900 is not only futuristic looking speaker, but it also has a future-proof device in terms of connectivity option. The speaker comes with 5 connectivity options: Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay, UPnP render, aux port, Wi-Fi and Ethernet. The Phantom Reactor 900 is compatible with the Devialet app that allows you to control several speaker settings such as adding streaming apps, volume control and more. So now if I talk about the performance and the sound, it is almost impossible to believe that a speaker of this size has this much of punch and heavy bass. Before moving on to the performance, let's just have a look at the specification and technology used in the speaker. The Phantom Reactor 900 comes with 2 aluminum bass drivers, 1 full range drive. Apart from this, the speaker also comes with a wide range of codec support such as MP3, HEACC, ACC, lossless audio, WMA, WAB, FLAC and much more. The speaker produces a total of output 900 watt at frequency response rate of 18 Hz to 21 Hz. Other than this, there are several technologies such as hard bass impulsion, SAM and much more. All of these specifications are combined together to create a fantastic sounding speaker that delivers punchy bass and not so harsh treble. The 18 Hz bass frequency range also isn't that common, and when the speaker comes alive, it literally shakes the surrounding with the bass. Even when the speaker is playing at full volume, the full range driver is also designed in such a way that it offers 3-dimensional sound output. Overall, the sound quality is very good. It has clear voice, heavy bass and vibration effect on the speaker. With all the design aesthetics and punch, Devialet Phantom Reactor 900 packs in a very hard to find a person that can deny that it has great sounding speaker in the world. However, this is an expensive speaker and it is priced at $1,300. The Devialet Phantom Reactor 900 is no doubt one of the best sounding portable speaker that also somehow looks good and adds appeal to it. So if you have that kind of budget and looking for something that really sounds good and is portable at the same time, then that Phantom Reactor 900 is speaker for you. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any updates. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care.